This session examines advanced masking. Start by selecting an image with complex edges such as fur or fabric. Use Select Subject, then proceed to select and mask. Refine the selection manually using the Refine Edge brush, focusing on problem areas. Adjust radius and contrast until the mask appears natural. Place the masked subject onto a contrasting background. Adjust color harmony through color match or curves. Add cast shadows using soft black strokes on a separate layer. Blur them lightly for realism. Complete the piece with texture overlays that sit behind the subject. Adjust blending modes and opacity to ensure depth. Once satisfied, export with layers preserved for future adjustments.